Think you've done, Richard? How many you got?
One.
Just one? Do you think there's any more? Eugene, think you've done? Who's got more than one? Andrew, how many you got? Two. Two to beat so far. Two as well? I reckon I can come up with 5 like that. Easy. 30 seconds. Right, pens down then, Peter. Charles, got an answer? Catch? My bad, sorry. Water? I agree with you. What do you mean by water out of interest? Just write it up. A waterfall? Yeah, I'll take waterfall. Jason, what have we got? Solar energy, up we go then. Robin, have you got any? What have you got, Robin?
Human power.
Human power? No, it's you say it, but we do use, Arnold, human power to make electricity. We do it very, very small scale, very, very small scale. So we might leave it off the list for a second. Arnold, what's one of yours then?
You can use wind.
Up again. John, what have you come up with? Any others?
I just wrote what they said.
You've only got those seven. That's fine. Go for it, Jamie. Light. I think I'd go light being solar. Okay, so do you know what solar means, Jamie? Solar's the sun. Okay, it's energy from the sun, so it's light. So I agree with you. So can you go up and underneath solar, can you put light? Right, light up underneath solar? Eugene? Nuclear, definitely light nuclear. Any others? Hands up for answers, please. A.
Static electricity.
Static electricity. It's a good answer again, Abe, but it's not necessarily how we make electricity. If we think up here, how is any sources used to make electricity? Static electricity obviously is electricity. We'll maybe come on to static a little bit more over the next couple of weeks.
Fire.
Fire. I like it. How do we make the fire?
I don't know, but I listen. That we can make this fire.
You can. What are we going to burn? That's the thing.
Coal.
No. Hands up if you've got an answer, please. No shouting out. Richard.
Coal.
Coal. Do you want to write it up? So Richard wants to burn coal. Is there anything else we can burn, especially if you haven't yet gone and written something up on the board? John is going to redeem himself from having everything that's on the list. He thinks he's got an extra thing now. What else do you think you can add to coal then, John? Wood? Well, we'll come to wood. Wood and coal kind of go together, and maybe I'll come back to wood. Remind me about it later on. Heat comes from burning these things. I like it.
Hair.
Hair? You can burn hair? Are you suggesting I burn my hair and hence there's lots of electricity that's been created from such a beautiful...
When clothes and hair together, like electricity.
You're right. Again, if we go back to our static electricity, you're right, rubbing balloons in your hair and stuff, you can get a static electric charge. Right, that's not a bad list. Abe, you've got one more?
Fruit and zinc and copper. Make electricity.
Beautiful. You're making a battery out of fruit. If you put electrodes into the fruit, you can make electrical current indeed. Right, we're going to think about these today. We're going to think about 1, 2, 3, 4. In fact, those are very close to the ones that we're going to think about. By the end of today's lesson, we're going to do the following things. First of all, examples of different energy sources used to make electricity. So we've already got some on the board. Those are some examples of how we can make electricity. We're going to think about the difference between renewable and non-renewable. And I might pick on someone already. Ben, what's non-renewable mean? Do you know? What's this word here? You can have a guess. Or you can guess at renewable, I don't mind. Yeah, this slightly helped. Renewable or non-renewable? Which one means we... Renewable you think means we can reuse something. What do you think non-renewable means then?
Can't see.
Are you currently Ben? Sorry Ben, I didn't hear that. You can't use it again. Fantastic. If you get your language card out, I'll give you a positive use of English for being able to define those words. So that'll teach you to shout out. Right, everybody.